Hello, today I'm going to show you how to register the magic LG remote control. Yeah, it is the remote control of your LG TV device. And if you have some troubles with the connectivity of your remote, you can do 2 or 3 steps for this. So, how to register the magic remote control? To use the magic remote, first pair it with your TV. Put batteries into the magic remote and turn the TV on. The TV on switch is detected on the surface of your television. Point the magic remote at your TV and press the center wheel. This is the OK button on the remote control. If the TV fails to register the magic remote, try again after turning the TV off and back on. Yeah, there it is, as you can see, easy going. But if you have some trouble with this remote, you can pressing and holding the guide button. It will let you cancel and re-register the magic remote at once. That is so easy, only the guide button. Push it, hold it, and then you're back in action. If you like to deregister the magic remote control, then you have to press the back and the home buttons at the same time for 5 seconds to unpair the magic remote with your TV. And then you can see the magic control is now off. So, and if you like to go back in action, that is easy. Only make a new register. That means point the remote to your television and press the wheel button. This is the OK button on the center of your magic remote. And then you are really nice back in action. This is so easy to do. And it brings you back. As you can see, there we are again. It is recommended that an access point be located more than 0.2 meters away from the TV. The AP is installed closer than 0.2 meters. The magic remote control may not perform as expected due to frequency interfaces. Do not mix new batteries with old batteries. This may cause the batteries to overheat and leak, of course. Failure to match the correct polarities of the battery may cause the battery to burst or leak, resulting in fire, personal injury, or ambient pollution. And there we are. We are back with the AIM thing. Nice and easy. So I will push it together. If you have batteries on board, point the magic remote at your TV and press the wheel button in the center of your remote. Then you will connect to your TV. If this fails, pressing and holding the guide button, it will let you cancel and re-register magic remote at once. And if this doesn't work again, press the back and the home button until the remote is out of business. This is about 5 seconds. And then after this, you are able to reconnect it by using the wheel OK button in the center. Or the other way is the guide button. All this will bring your magic remote back in business and you're able to see how it works. You can use your remote control for all things with your LG television. That it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback and see you next time again. Soon.